So far, our Vancouver winter experience had been a lot of rain, a few lucky days of mild temperatures, some really windy days, and a few days of heavy and unusual snow. But today is a perfect hiking weather kind of day. Hello friends, welcome to today's video and come along for a hike to the Sea to Summit Trail. The Sea to Summit Trail is 16.5 kilometers out and back with 935 meters of elevation gain.
Alright, this is it. Sea to Sky Trailhead.
We're finally doing it today after a few attempts because it was too cold, too wet, too windy, and supposedly today we're gonna have
Beautiful day.
a beautiful weather today, so let's do it.
Alright, let's go. This is where we're gonna go. So this is where we are now.
Okay.
And then we go to this trail. Go up
Ooh.
to the summit right here.
Okay. So there's actually the Stawamus trail. And then on that 20 there, that's when we leave that trail, we turn right.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that's a long one. And that's 885 meters of incline. Is that what it is?
It's
elevation gain?
3 to 5 hours.
Ooh. All right, we better get going.
Yeah.
We just departed the main trail. So where it separates, the one that goes straight up goes to the Stawamus Tree first peak. And now we are in the Sea to Summit Trail. So we've been hiking that part for 45 minutes, but we are slow.
Okay.
That says we've hiked 1.5 kilometers of 7.5 kilometers. So that's the Howie Sound. Oh, this one here says you are 1/4 of the way to the top of the gondola. Travel ahead is steeper and more challenging, requiring fixed rope lines to assist. Uh-oh. Come on, where are you? Hurry up! You better hurry up. We're only 1/4 of the way. Keep going.
This trail is just getting harder and harder, and we are so glad that we are not hiking back. We've already bought our ticket to the gondola for a ride down, which, by the way, is highly recommended, especially for leisure hikers like us. At a little over 1/4 of the way, we started to feel like maybe we should just turn around. And then we get treated to a beautiful view. And very quickly, motivation kicks in.
Come on. How is it? I don't like that.
I think they're going up.
But look at that one. It doesn't look like that's a trail, no? Right? And then you go through the rocks. Oh, I know because of that sign. That one there. Oh, that looks easy for you. That one there is interesting. That looks so easy for you. Are we still on the right track?
I think so. We're still
What does
in
it say?
the right track.
Shannon Falls.
No, let's see the sky.
No, it says Shannon Falls.
Sea to Summit Trail. Oh my gosh.
Daddy,
What?
I gotta have to put you on a leash.
Why?
Oh, because it says, leash your dog. Fast moving water ahead.
So what do I have to do with me?
I mean, you're not a dog, but I can put you on a leash. You don't want to be on a leash?
I don't know about that.
Having done a few hikes now, unlike Givey, I am really getting better at using these ropes and chains, although I still get nervous, especially when the rocks are wet.
What do you think? We're halfway?
There's supposed to be a sign that we're halfway, but I haven't seen it yet. And it's already 12. We started around 9, so we're 3 hours. So that means we have 3 hours to go.
Well, that's where we're going. It's right there. Yep, that's still far. So that's where we're gonna go. So the guy is right. You know, the guy asked us like, oh, did you bring spikes?
Yeah.
So, and this is why. Yeah, let's see. If this get worse, yeah, sure, we're gonna put our crampons. So it's better if we put our crampons on. It's because we are in a snowy trail now.
At some point in this trail, you will come to a junction with this sign. Both ways will take you up to the gondola. The difference is, taking the trail to your right is easier but longer, while taking the trail to your left is shorter but harder.
5 kilometers of 7.5, so we only need 2.5 kilometers to reach in the summit. What?
Is that your phone vibrating?
No.
Oh, I can hear something.
Oh, that's a frog. You know a bullfrog?
Bullfrog?
Yeah,
Are you sure?
I think so.
We better get away. I guess like doing like this. Whoop, 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 whoop.
Well, if it is not, yeah, there it goes again.
Okay, come on.
All right, if it's not, we're just gonna run, whatever it is. After the snow, boulders climbing up.
Do you think we've picked the right route?
Well, I think it doesn't matter what route that we can do.
Okay.
Pick hard or not, I think we're just gonna make it. But I think the guy said that this one that we took is the hard route. It's short, but it's hard.
Yeah.
The easy one is the longer one.
So that junction there, if we would have turned right, did he say that is longer but easier?
Yeah,
Okay, and then turning left is
and that's what
shorter but harder.
we did. Yeah, and that's what we did, right?
Alright, bring it on.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, he's right though. This is hard. Like that one goes this way. Yep. Yeah, I think we're almost there. We are underneath the gondolas. Oh my gosh. All right, this is it. I made it.
This hike definitely deserves an all-you-can-eat burger and fries and drinks and more. The view from up here is so breathtaking. The gondola ride itself is already a great experience. If you're visiting Vancouver, we highly recommend the TO SKY Gondola. It is cheaper to visit during the weekdays, and Wednesdays has the cheapest ticket. You will also get a discounted price when you buy your ticket online. Note that the website indicates that the gondola operates between 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. But when we ask, the last ride down is actually at 6 p.m. Although, it is always best to ask if you don't want to be stuck here for the night.
It's been so cold since you have been gone. Like I was told, you're the only one.
What's going on? There's a lot of trails that we can take from here.
Oh yeah, Spirit, Panorama.
Oh, the Spirit was the one up there.
But
It's
those are the small.
400 meters.
So like 130.
Been gone.
Oh, so you mean we can go up there?
Like I was told, you're the only one. I can't be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up to the clouds where the skies are so clear. With you.
as always, thank you very much for being here. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in the next one.